Juistje slaat.
New team member. This is like my grandfather's car.
Your grandfather's car?
Yeah.
Let's go on some rant.
I'm on set.
You're on set.
I mean,
First impressions?
first impressions. This is more than I've seen on the video.
Yeah.
It's much.
It is.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't seen these.
Mary, you're in the video right now.
The star. Mum, I've made it.
Ah, wow. Is it heavy?
Super sharp here.
Is it heavy or is Bram just a really strong man?
Look at the beauty.
Fridge going in.
Ik heb de caravan helemaal bijgewerkt. En er zaten helemaal verweerde plekken bovenop.
Ja.
De deksel.
Ja.
Yes, that perfect fit. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Wait.
Oh yeah. Glides right in. The perfect fit. That's what she said.
As you can see, it's a beautiful day. This will be the first day of 3 days of working consecutively on the food truck. We have a guest today, and it's Mary. Mary is gonna fill up some holes in the wood, and she's gonna paint a bit. Look. Hi, Mary.
Hi. Welcome everyone.
Het is een simpel systeem eigenlijk.
I think it's gonna go there. Just give some background. Okay, so they just mysteriously carried the extractor fan over here, but should we move right?
A what fan?
Extractor fan.
Is that what it's called in English?
Yeah, I think so.
I believe you.
Why? Why did? What's happening?
Why? So we need to extract all the fumes when we're baking eventually in the food truck.
Yeah, that's better. Okay, yeah. So
Yeah, so it just arrived and it's massive. Like, didn't expect it to be this big. And we just fitted it into the truck and it seems alright. And now we're gonna have to well, measure in where we need to make a hole, because we still have to make a hole through the ceiling for the actual extraction.
yeah, that would be good.
You can see here's the huge hole.
I see.
I'm gonna make something ready for you.
Oh yeah?
I'm gonna sand this up. I'm gonna add it to the pile. To the stock.
Yeah, to the stock. Yeah, this is all the stuff I still have to. Hey, when did you add that? Oh.
No, but I will do the bar after you did some filling.
Okay.
Then the bar will come after. Fine.
I've been making progress.
Yeah.
You know, in the pile. It was lessening, and now Bram's just added this huge bar for me to paint. And now he's gonna give me this. Working me like a slave. Worked to the bone.
To the heart.
Yeah, worked to the heart. Just wanted to show you the terrible job I'm doing at painting. Yep. Why did they hire me? Hi, I'm Mary Pritchett. Follow me on Instagram at Mary Pritchett.
Right, but why should they follow you?
Oh.
Come on, this is stuff you have to be prepared for.
Like, why should you follow me? Take a look and see yourself. It's top quality content. I post there regularly.
Okay, so everyone follow Mary Pritchett on Instagram.
Will you put my handle on the screen?
Oh yeah, sure. Well, I think
maybe
Sam
like
can
a
do
link.
that.
You know, on YouTube you can do those little like links.
I'm sure Sam can do that.
Yeah. I wouldn't say that painting is my forte. But you know what? I'm trying really hard. Sunshine's a bit much for me. I'm from England, so I'm not really used to it. So yeah, just got my hat on, staying in the shade, trying not to over-challenge myself. It's 10:30. We out here, still working. I'm being worked to the bone like a slave. Just sitting in the driver's seat of the truck. Itchy eye, please excuse me. Yeah. Boys have been working hard on the wooden shelves inside there. I've been doing, oh, you can see it on my face. A lot of priming and filling and sanding and more filling and more sanding and more priming. Bram, what are you doing?
Oh, my less strength. Please put this thing in.
Nicely done. What a beautiful print. I'm sorry I'm terrible at filming. Sorry everyone watching. Sorry, you know, I mean these camera angles aren't really working for anyone, let's be real. I'll give you the grand tour. Van tour!
Oh yeah.
Here we have the entrance. We wanted to go for like an airy look, so it's very open, like a lot of lighting, and yeah. So, like at the moment, it's quite like rustic, like exposed, beaming. I don't know if you've ever been to like a bar in East London, but like that's the kind of vibe we're going for. So yeah, like, again, exposed wiring.
You also have like dust brushes on your face.
Yeah, because I'm authentic. Okay. Yeah.
Memorable.
Yeah, on Instagram. Yeah, speaking of, follow me on Instagram.
I knew you wanted to get famous.
We have the exposed wood. And what makes it really authentic is you can see the marks of the carpenter himself. You can see these pencil lines, yeah.
Yeah.
Authentic. Thankfully, this contraption isn't holding the ceiling up, but is just in fact holding some glue.
It's keeping the floor down.
He's got it. What do we like? Oh, keeping the floor down. Also keeping this glue stuck. Uh-oh. Continuity error.
Maybe it should be the name of our new movie.
Continuity error. Yeah, because I don't know if any of you viewers have noticed, but I'm not Sam. Another continuity error.
You're not?
Oui, je suis Samuel.